Hi, my name is Jed, and welcome to my Think Aloud for this week. If you are in Visual Studio, you know that I like to do ones based on a game that I like called Destiny, and this is no different. Basically, in the game, there are different exotics that are good for different subclasses and classes that you play as, and this tells you which one is the best for you. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm going to split this up into 3 different Think Alouds, I think. It'd be a tutorial for each of them. And for this one, we'll do one each class. So this one I'm going to focus on the Hunter, next one will be Warlock, and then the last one will be Titan. But anyways, right here we are going to have the main function goes into this file. And up here, I have just a little description, file name, all stuff like that. And then I have a header down here. It's pretty meh, I'll probably dazzle it up later, but for right now, this is what I got. And then our main function down here. First thing it's going to do is it's going to get input from the user. And the first question it's going to ask is what class you main. It's going to be 1 for the Hunter, 2 for the Warlock, 3 for the Titan. And since we're just doing sticking with Hunter from now on, we'll just say, okay, I'm pressing 1 and I'm getting Hunter. So we'll go over to our Hunter file. Move this down. So down at the bottom, we have our Hunter function. And if it goes H class is going to ask another question, which is what subclass do you main? Subclass is like the super, stuff like that. 1 for Gunslinger, 2 for Arcstrider, 3 for Night Stalker, 4 for Revenant. So for Arcstrider and Revenant, there is one exotic that's good for the entire class. So those two just straight up give you the exotic that's good. For the other two, I created 2 separate functions because there are different supers in those subclasses that each have a good exotic. So if we go up here, we have our Gunslinger function and our Night Stalker function. Each of them is going to ask what tree of Golden Gun do you use, what tree of Night Stalker do you use, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and for whichever one you pick, it will tell you which one is the best. So, yeah, that's essentially like the basics of what this is, and at the end of each one, I have a please enter the correct value just in case someone enters a 5 or a 4. The thing doesn't just fail; it lets you try again. So it says, please enter a correct value, and then it runs the same function again. And it does that in each of these, Night Stalker, Hunter, and then it even does that here in the main function. Or at least it should. I don't know why it doesn't. Haha, silly me. Alright, Control S. And now let's run this to show you guys how it works. I should lift this up so we can see it. Alright. What subclass do you main? Oh, hold on. Okay. What class do you main? I am a Hunter, so I'm going to press 1. Boom. It's going to ask me what subclass I main. I usually go with Night Stalker, so we'll hit 3. Go. What tree of Night Stalker do you use? I use Movius Quiver. Hit 2, go, and there it tells me the best exotic for me is Orpheus Rig, and then it gives a summed up of what it does, and then it gives you the actual in-game word for word explanation of what it does. But yeah, that is basically it. I will make a Word document and submit it with this to show you guys that with screenshots so you can copy it down, do whatever you want with it, just in case you actually want to make this for yourself. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the other 2. Bye.